A laptop in a briefcase, a music player in a pencil sharpener, a phone in a pencil case, and a dance club right at your desk? Watch simple ways to sneak gadgets into class in our new video. What a boring class! The girls need to come up with something. Cindy just so happens to have a musical pencil sharpener. Take apart a pencil sharpener of a suitable size. Cover it with decorative tape. Put an MP3 player inside. Plug headphones into the pencil sharpener and sneakily turn on some hype music. Our secret party is going very well so far. The teacher doesn't notice anything. But the happier the song is, the brighter we look. One moment and our school dance turns into a New York street party. Next thing you know, a dance battle will start. The teacher notices us moving at our desk. But Christy and I are obedient students. But once he turns away, our school party continues. Oops! Cindy's tube of glue falls on the floor, and she just happens to need it. Here it is, on her friend's case. Coat a phone case with white ground. Paint it blue. And add a layer of clear acrylic polish on top. Attach a tube of Elmer's glue to the case. Cindy wants to take her tube of glue back, but Christy is using her phone for an important conversation. These girls are fighting over something again. Why is there a fight in class? Sebastian wants to sort things out, but he falls into a puddle of glue. When he gets up, he grabs the table, which is also covered in glue. Double failure! The girls have brought a whole stack of notebooks to the class. Have they actually decided to learn? No, it's just a disguise for gadgets. And our teacher, Mr. Sebastian, has also brought a laptop into the classroom without anyone noticing. The secret is in his briefcase. Take an old briefcase. Cut a red soft foam sheet to fit the size of the briefcase and attach it inside the briefcase. Cover the leather around the fasteners with painter's tape. Coat the metallic clasps with gold acrylic paint. Fasten the paint with clear nail polish. Cover the decorative stitch on the briefcase with gold. Remove the tape. Cut circles out of metallic corrugated cardboard. Paint them gold. Cut a triangle out of each circle. And hot glue them to make pyramids. Attach them to the corners of the briefcase. Put your laptop inside. Make marks for loops and hot glue pieces of webbing. Attach an elastic cord loop at the top. Put in a mouse. Sebastian opens his briefcase and his laptop along with it. He studies every possible prank on teachers just in case of danger. It's better to be prepared for it beforehand and keep your eyes open. By the way, it's time to discipline the class. This gadget in Christy's hands is just unacceptable. Christy doesn't figure out right away that the teacher is the one who wants to take her gadget away and not Cindy. Goodbye, my beloved gadget. Silly Christy. She should have hidden her gadget better. For example, in a notebook like Cindy did. Attach a silicone tablet case inside the cover of a notebook. Cut out a hole for a camera. Now Cindy and her friend are sneakily playing a game on the tablet. And if the teacher suspects something, it's just a notebook. Christy has finally started learning, but unfortunately her phone battery died. And how is she supposed to finish her notes now? She needs to borrow her friend's phone. She's not doing anything anyway, but Cindy has a better plan. A charging wire and a school supply cup. Put a power bank of a fitting size into a school supply cup. Fill the cup with school supplies. A table charger is such a great thing. Christy charges her phone with this wonder cup. And it means that all tasks will be finished on time. Christy can't wait for the new Troom video. She wants to see new school pranks right now. At last, She hears the magical bell ringing. Finally! But the teacher heard it ringing too. Sebastian is the only person who can watch videos in class, and the students are not allowed to do this. Cindy also has a phone. Oops! Had a phone. Then Christy secretly takes her gadget from the teacher's desk, and they have a special case to watch Troom without being punished. Hot glue 2 pieces of elastic ribbon inside a pencil case. Put a portable battery into the pencil case. Fill it with school supplies. Put your phone into the loops. The girls are watching a YouTube live stream right from the pencil case, but no one will even suspect that they are preparing new pranks on their teacher. Welcome to art class! Cindy is preparing supplies for painting, and Christy takes out a cup for water, but dipping a brush into it is not a good idea. Take a spill-proof paint cup and cover it with strips of self-adhesive felt decor. Pass the headphones of an MP3 player through the hole in the lid. Put the MP3 player inside the cup with the headphones plugged in. Christy takes headphones out of the cup. Creating art with music is way more interesting. Some musical inspiration in a paint cup. An art class gradually turns into a dance class. What a crazy party! Even Mr. Sebastian wants to dance. Oh no! We were wrong! He came to take away our source of joy and inspiration. Goodbye, happiness! But Sebastian didn't take away the headphones and the MP3 player for no reason. They will make this boring class more bearable. Make a knot on a tie. Pass the wire of the headphones through it. Fasten it on the back side of the knot. Sebastian hid his headphones under his tie and turned the music on. He wonders what his students are listening to these days. Not bad! Checking schoolwork is much more fun with Beyoncé. We're discussing another interesting topic, how gadgets influence studying. Christy is about to present her report. She eagerly talks about different perspectives on using devices in classes, and Mr. Sebastian has apparently worked too hard, and the report makes him fall asleep. How rude is that? Why would you assign a task and not listen to the answer? Christy got mad, and Cindy suggests a new prank. She takes out a case with paints. Coat a phone case with white ground paint. Paint it with yellow acrylic paint. Apply clear acrylic polish on top. Hot glue on a piece of Velcro. Attach the other half of the Velcro on a mini paint tube. Fasten an empty glitter pot the same way. Attach elastic cord loops. Take a short handle of an old brush and hot glue a top of a brush to it. Stick it into the loop. Art Revenge is right around the corner. The girls are using their compact case. Pour some paint into the pot and start creating. The subject of today's class is how to apply paint onto your teacher's face without him noticing. Let's define his eyebrows, add a mustache, a medieval beard, and 2 charming moles. Duke Sebastian wakes up, and he gladly listens to Christy's report, but the girls just can't keep a straight face. Duke Sebastian looks very impressive with his monobrow. It has to go on their Instagram stories. The teacher can't understand what's wrong. Once he sees his reflection in his phone, he understands why they're having so much fun. He looks like Bluebeard's cousin. This goes way beyond his limits. You should run as fast as you can, girls. The girls have a coloring book, and they need markers right now. Here they are, on the teacher's desk. Sebastian is working hard, and he forgets that there is a surprise hidden in his markers. Take markers out of a box. Print out an image of markers and attach it to the hole on the box. Put a portable battery inside. Fill the remaining space with markers. Sebastian's phone needs charging. Where is his charger? Oops! It seems that the girls took it away along with the markers. The students haven't figured out what is what yet, so he should get his markers back. The teacher has a change of heart and takes his box back. The charger is here. Phew! He can scroll through a teaching blog again. Did you like our school tech ideas? Then write in the comments how you will sneak your favorite gadgets into class. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new school life hacks on Troom.